So let's go to the applications. And here, actually, all of them who at least once played an online game, you already usually used this kind of applications. Because if you play a really serious big game, then usually you communicate via this game with people who are sitting in different locations. So in today's games, you can, for example, play a game and your partners or your enemies in this game, they could be not only in a different country, they could be in a different continent even. And still, you have to have an impression that you are all together, that you are all in the same room, in the same space, and that you can, for example, shoot at each other, you can see each other, how you move. And this is, of course, very nice for the gamers, but it's a real problem for the computer system, because the underlying system, it has really very big challenges. This huge number of concurrent users, and it's not only 3 or 5, it could be hundreds, and it could be even tens of thousands of simultaneously playing participants. You should have a very high update rate of the application state, because you want to see smooth movements of the players, and you need a very short response time. So, of course, if you shoot at your enemy, then you want to see immediately if you miss him or you hit him. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. You shoot and then you wait for a minute, for example, in order to see the result. It's not realistic, and such a game will not have a success, and the company who produced it or who supports it, it will have, of course, big business difficulties. And we have also the user load, which is changing during the day and also during the week, for example, regarding is it a working day, is it a weekend, is it nighttime, is it daytime, and you see you have a kind of such kind of load for the system, which is an additional difficulty, of course, for supporting such kind of application. But probably